Nissan Nats keys, 2-button. These were fitted with came with the early Almiras, Micras, Nissan Navara, Patrol, Serena, Toronto, Veneto, X-Trail, there's something else as well. Oh, Primera, the Primera. Right, so what we've got here is, we need to get inside of these little buggers. This head comes off. Let's get yourself into there and open her up, because the battery's in here. There you go, here's your battery on the inside. Alright, let's ping that out with my little widgy fingers, if I can get in there, which I can't. Let's wiggle that up. God, these are awkward, so be prepared for something to go ping ding. Right, what have we got here? What have we got? What have we got? We have got a CR, a 2032. A 2032. Let's put that back in there for the moment, shall we? We don't want to lose it. We don't really need, so if you need to swap it, just pull that cover off. Plus side to the inside. Okay, so you can't see the plus side if you're doing it. Right, actually on the key, there's the innards. What you need to do is put your finger against the pads and give it a push. Okay, and then there's your innards, so the inside of your pad. And there's your keyboard. It's a little circuit board with a little micro switch. What normally happens on these little micro switches, they give up or they come away here. Okay, so there's two of them. They both click in nicely. Probably just about hear that. You can take it to bits a bit more if you want to, but let me see if I can do it for you. There's a black plastic cover on the back of these. It's very fidgety. You don't really need to take it off, but I'll show you anyway. Well, as long as I can get it off. Right. There you go. There's your inside your chipboard, the bit that does all the technical crappio. Alright. I hope that makes sense to somebody, because it does to me. These do get crap, they do get shit inside them, and they go to dust and bodily bits and bobs inside of them. God knows how, but they do. So when you're doing it, you just check these buttons, because these do come loose, and they're a common source of problems. Alright, you can buy them for a couple of quid. They're a pig to solder in, trust me. So if you want to get someone to do it, get a specialist in. Alright. Now I'm going to sit my 5 minutes and put this back together. I will wish you good night, and I will see you at some other point. Bye.